Okay, let's start by creating a new project and go to the top plane. Now let's add an image. I will select this guitar pick image. I will change the dimension to 32 millimeters and lower the opacity about here, and done. Now let's create two variables, one thickness with a value of 1.5 millimeters and the other one symmetric extrude value. And the value will be the previous variable divided by 2. To select the variable, we go up here and select thickness, and then OK. We close this, and we can see our variables in the history, like this. This will allow us to parameterize the guitar pick. OK, let's draw a line and change the dimension to 32 millimeters. Now let's select the line and the origin and a midpoint relation. I will move this. Now let's go to spline. We verify that it's a control spline. Let's start drawing our shape with our spline. In this case, I will follow only the orange section because it's the one I have designed for my type of playing. But you can go with the full profile if you prefer a more Dunlop peak style. Let's start placing our control points. The first and the last one should be horizontal. Let's start from the last one. One more here. 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 Let's move a little bit. And one here. And finally to the end of the line. Let's put it horizontal. And finally just move the control points until the spline fits the contour shape of the pick. It doesn't need to be perfect, as close as possible. Let's now select the spline. Go to More, Mirror, and we select the center line. And that's it. Finally, let's make constructive this line. Let's now go to the ISO view. Let's select the inner section. Go to Extrude and choose Symmetric. Okay, in the value we will select our symmetric extrude value and then OK. Now let's select the top face, then the bottom, and let's choose chamfer. Let's select this handle and let's put 0.4 times the thickness and then OK. Now let's suppose that we want to change the thickness of the pick. Go to history, double tap on thickness, and just change the value, 0.7 for example. And the thickness is automatically changed. Let's try another one. Now one more, 2 millimeters. And so on and so forth. So let's go back to our 1.5. And that's it. We have finished our pick. Let's now go to export. 3MF, high resolution, and export. Let's now open our part. In my case, I will use Bambu Studio. And I'm using the default 0.08 layer height profile. So let's now make a copy of this pic 3 times. Now let's slice it, and it's ready to be printed. Now I have created the decal sticker for my pic in Affinity Designer, which it's totally free, so you can check it out. And I will export this file as an SVG. Okay, selection only, export text as curves, and that's it. Export. In this case, I will cut my stickers with a Cricut machine. So I will upload the image. Okay, let's change the size. 2.51 centimeters. Now right click, flatten. Now let's change the background color. In this case it's orange to fit the one in the pic. Okay. Now let's duplicate a few times with Ctrl D or Command D on a Mac. And finally make. Now let's choose the correct size of the paper. In my case it's A4. It's a printable vinyl. Continue. And let's send to the printer. Okay, came out like this from the printer. Let's now cut it. Okay, let's now put the sticker. And finally, let's check how it feels.